Hello boys and girls, I am back with another video and today I'm gonna show you how you can copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn $50 per video. This is gonna be full tutorial and what's special about it is that it's brand new. YouTube Shorts are a hot topic nowadays and we need to take advantage of it. So make sure to watch the whole video as I'm gonna show you some secret steps that will maximize your profit. Few people know about this, so stick with me until the end. And as always, like the video and make sure you subscribe so you can be with me whenever I find some new methods for making money online. This is your money machine, and now let's go to step number 1.
Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple.
Okay, for the step number 1, I will just show you what are we doing today. Now, since YouTube itself is not the best way to monetize your YouTube Shorts, I will show you an additional way to make money and maximize your results with a simple process. It will help you make money with YouTube Shorts without making videos yourself and without showing your face. So first of all, we will talk about how to actually find the right shorts, then how to copy and paste them, how to create them with this new technology, and then how to actually get views on those YouTube Shorts. And finally, I will show you how you can make even more money and it has nothing to do with ad revenue. So first of all, look at this guy. He's a damn genius. According to Social Blade, this person is getting over 86,000 views per month. And as you can see, the channel has been blowing up lately. And then you have another person right here that is getting over 100 million views per month. Just look at his total video views weekly and you can see the peak was at 52 million views per week. Now that's some really crazy amount. And if you look here, you can see that he is earning almost $6 million per year, and that's $500,000 per month. And look at the video views down here. It's 3 million, almost 7 million, 2 million. This guy has made it. Look at his monthly gained video views. So he has 141 million views in September. But you know what? Since these guys are not using the strategy which I'm about to share with you, they are missing out on thousands of dollars because relying just on ad revenue on YouTube Shorts is not the best way to make money. There is a lot better way to monetize your YouTube Shorts and make a lot more money. Now, if you open up any of their YouTube videos, you're going to be able to see that these are just short stories, horror stories or horror facts, some bizarre facts or list of different interesting things, and those short videos are getting over 100 million views per month. So how do we even make those videos without showing your face? Well, first of all, and that's step number 2, you will need to go over to a website called Listverse, and this is over at listverse.com. And on here, you can find pretty much the same type of content that Sebastian uses to get over 67 million views per month. So just go over to listverse.com, and this is going to give you lots of different articles from which you can make those shorts videos. So, for example, you can go over to bizarre category over here and maybe choose this creepy category. And that's going to give us all of these different articles and a list from which we can make our shorts video. For example, we have top 10 creepiest things people have done to kids. Then we have top 10 hotel rooms with a dark past. Top 10 chilling unexplained SOS calls. And the list goes on and on. And let's say, for example, I want to make a video of these top 10 hotel rooms with a dark past. Just click on that article and you will get it done. You can see number 10, number 9, number 8, and the list goes on until 1. So what I can do now is I can copy one of these. So let's go with number 10 and copy each of these into my clipboard, copy that text, And we can proceed to the third step of our method. And the third step of our method involves InVideo.com. And this is a tool that basically creates those videos for you. It will create your YouTube shorts automatically and you don't have to do nothing. You would just have to create your account here by clicking on the sign up button. And once you sign up, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So now here, you just need to choose this text to video. I will click here on vertical and then I will just choose a template from here. You can choose any of these. So for example, let's click on this one and click on use this template. Now we just need to add a headline here. So let's type in top 10 hotel rooms because that's what we are making video about. And now you just add story here by pasting that script you copied from the site. And now here add story, you just have to paste your script, the text you copied from the site Listverse. And here it is. You can change some words to make it original or even use a program like Spinbot to find some synonyms for it. But in the end, you don't even have to do that. You can just click on the next button. And if you get a text message that says, hey, that's too much text for one scene, do you want us to rearrange it for you? Just choose rearrange text or continue anyways. That's not important at all. And as fast as it goes, they just made a video for me, which total duration is 58 seconds. And this is a shorts video which I can use. You can just click on preview all. And as you can see, they made it something like this. Now, just keep in mind that since this is an AI tool which uses artificial intelligence to create those videos, it is not always accurate. And as you can see, it puts some random images, so I would definitely change these because some of these images are not right and are definitely not creepy and they don't align with the actual title of the video. So I would remove some of those, find different media, find different images, and then I can drag and drop them and also upload them to my own video. As you can see here, you can drag and drop your media. And on the left hand side here, you can find some stock videos of theirs and you can choose whatever you like until you are satisfied with your short video. You can use the search engine they have here. You can just type in something like creepy and then search for it and they will give you these results. There are plenty of results on that page, but you can also use pixels, type in creepy here as well, and they will give you something as well, and you can choose these and upload them there. In the end, whatever you choose, you are ready to download that video onto your computer. And that is done by clicking on download and share button over here. Click on the blue export button and that's it. They will load your video and it will be ready for you to upload to YouTube. And for the next step, all that is left for you to do is to go on YouTube Studio, click create and upload your video on YouTube. You will just click here on select files and you will select that video which we downloaded from InVideo. But how to actually get views on YouTube with your YouTube Shorts? Well, first of all, give it a nice title, give it a nice description, and optimize your video properly. Now, how do you actually optimize your video properly in order to get views on YouTube? Well, what I personally prefer to do is I will use vidIQ. And this is an absolutely free tool and I will leave a link to it in the description down below. And basically with this tool, you can do a research. Both keyword research and to see which videos are trending right now, so you can replicate their success. So for example, if I go to vidIQ, I log into my account and type here creepy for example. As you can see here, it says search keywords, then just click enter. This is gonna give me everything I need to know about that keyword right now. So, for example, keyword creepy has a very high search volume, but it also has very high competition. Creepy videos has also good search volume, and that's an example of what you would need to put in the description box or the title. And here on the right hand side, it's also gonna show me different videos that are trending right now, that are getting the most views. And these are all videos in my niche. And they're pretty similar to what I'm posting right now on YouTube. So I can either use some of these keywords in my title and description, Or I can just go over to YouTube, type in my keyword in the search bar, for example, creepy. I will go to filter, then click on this month. And I will also click on filter once again and click on view count. So this is gonna give me most viewed videos in this month. So what's hot right now? So in this way, you can research a bit more about your competition. You can take their tags, their keywords in the description or in the title, and that way you can get close to this traffic that they are having and use it to your advantage. But now, how do we actually make money? We don't want to rely on YouTube ad revenue only because we have a few different options for monetization. We want to use all of those options and make as much money as we possibly can. You can never rely on one thing in business and hope that it's gonna be enough. You must strive for more and learn more, and that's what I'm here for. Now I'm gonna show you a few different options in which you can make some money for yourself. Now, the first monetization option that I wanted to show you is using print on demand. So you can use websites like these. This is teespring.com, which will allow you to upload your designs to different products and sell them. So you don't have to actually own any of these products. You literally just have to upload your designs and you can sell them through YouTube. And whenever someone buys through your link, you will get a percentage of that sale. And you don't have to ship product. You don't have to create anything. You don't have to have any inventory. You literally just need to put your link in the description box of those short videos and promote those products through your shorts. And the second way you can monetize your YouTube shorts is with affiliate marketing or CPA marketing. And CPA stands for cost per action, which means that in most of the cases, you can refer people to some offer where they don't have to pay for anything. They literally just need to sign up and you will get paid. One of the great examples in this niche would be Audible affiliated program. This is from Amazon themselves. And if you refer someone to Audible where they can get lots of different stories and different books, different ebooks and audiobooks, they just need to sign up for free. So for free trial, you will get paid $5. And that's whenever someone signs up for free. And you saw that those videos can get millions of views. And all of those people love hearing stories, right? So if only half of those people click on that link and they sign up for free trial, you will get $5 per each person. Now that's some crazy amount of money, isn't it? And what's even better is that if they take some other options and they maybe sign up to a gold membership over here, you will get $10 per person. So you can maximize your results and make even more money per person that you refer to Audible. Or if you want to promote some different affiliate offers, just go over to digistore24.com. Register here for absolutely free. And then whatever niche you are in, you will be able to find all sorts of different categories and products here on the left-hand side. So you can grab your affiliate link with one click of a button by clicking on this Promote Now button, put it in the description of your shorts videos, and that's it. And here there is something for everyone. As you can see, animals and pets, betting systems, education, family and kids, foods and drinks, job and employment, photography, social media. So whatever you have, you can get it here and affiliate for. This is also a great way to make some money on the side, but as always, remember, more time, more money. You need to go into this, you need to do some research, and in the end, you will be profitable. So I hope you guys learned something today. I will be back with more, I promise. But please stop wasting your time on social media, Facebook or Instagram. You need to take some action and you need to follow these instructions and you need to wait for more videos of mine. And I promise you, you will get big results. You will get some money and you will be happy because you followed me and you started to monetize your time online. Because basically, that's what all the people are doing right now. They're monetizing their time online. They're not wasting it. And you have to do the same thing. I'm here to help you and to guide you. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because not only it helps me, It also helps you so you can get updated on the latest money-making tips and tricks on the money machine. See you next time, guys.